Hey everyone, this is how to create and delete a second LRP cart to take advantage of all of our amazing BOGOs this week and also make sure that you get all of those good LRP points so that you can get some more free oils. So many good things happening this week. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your doTERRA account and you'll see if you already have an LRP cart established. You'll see that right there. And then you'll just click here to create your new LRP. And it doesn't matter what day you choose to roll the cart because you are going to be processing it today in order to take advantage of this great deal. And we are doing the frankincense touch. You can see I've already searched for it today. And we want to add that to our cart. Now you can see that even though I only clicked frankincense touch, it automatically added the neroli touch as well for the BOGO today. And click review order and it brings you right to your cart. I'm going to click here for personal consumption. And I also like to donate $1 to Healing Hands because I think it's a really good program and they do a whole lot of good in this world and it makes me feel good to do it. But that's totally up to you, your preference. And then you're going to click proceed to checkout. And you're going to go through the process of checking out. I'm actually not going to do that right now because I have a feeling some family and friends are going to want to order this BOGO today as well. So I'm going to click save and process later, but I will be processing this cart today because otherwise you will not be able to get the deal. So make sure you do that. Now I'm going to click back to shop and I'm going to show you what it looks like to have 2 LRP carts on your account. So you can see now I have my regular order, which is right here, and then I also have my BOGO order, which is down here. So now it's time to go in. Once you process your cart and you have gotten that text message or that email from doTERRA saying, we've got your order, it's being processed, then you can go in and you can delete this cart. So you click edit order and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. I'm not going to show you the scroll because it makes people a little bit seasick when you scroll on a video, and also it also shows my address and my credit card information, so I'm going to skip that part, but you scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Now you're at the bottom of the page and you'll see this button right here that says delete this loyalty order. You're going to click that button and you're going to confirm deletion, and now you're back to just your regular LRP order. And that's how you create a new LRP and delete the same LRP in order to get all of your great deals from BOGOs and also all of your points. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or if any part of this video was unclear. I'm happy to answer your questions as best I can. Have a great day.